everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Brooke and this channel is all about self-love, health and happiness, and in today's video I have something super exciting that I have not done on this channel for years, and it is a Priceline gift bag, well, Priceline haul, and I got the skincare goodie bag. Let's jump into the Priceline haul and then I'll take you through what you get in the skincare goodie bag. So you have to spend $69 on selected skincare ranges to be able to get the skincare goodie bag. I went in to get the Ascorbyl Glucoside Solution 12% from The Ordinary. Now this is a brightening serum with stabilized vitamin C derivative. So any scarring that you have left over after breakouts and things like that, any pigmentation that you might be struggling with, recommend using vitamin C in the mornings because it's also going to act as sort of a protective layer against pollutants and things like that that are in the air. Gran active retinoid 2% emulsion. Now this is what I find really helps with any signs of aging, sort of fine lines and that kind of thing. I use this at night and it is really good. Use this as a preventative measure, but it does not affect any breakouts or anything like that on my skin. So I pop this on, a few drops of this at night, and then my moisturizer, and I'm good to go. Another product that I really wanted to try, The Ordinary's Vitamin C Suspension 23% plus HA Spheres 2%. So this is a water-free, silicone-free, which is great. Stable suspension. It starts to tingle on your face because it is a 23% emulsion. It is really strong. So I would highly recommend that you apply this with a serum or a moisturizer at night. Now I will say, past Brooke used to live for the Priceline skincare gift bags. I would wait every year for them to come out. I haven't ran out and got them in like a really long time because don't know what products you're going to be getting in there. Oftentimes they're not suitable for your skin type. So I really like to buy products that I know are going to work for my skin. I do a lot of research into the ingredients. In saying that, it's Mother's Day coming up, so let's just address this totally fabulous leopard print bag. It is kind of a waterproof filling material. If you're traveling, it's a good overnighter. The Garnier Volcano Mask Pore Minimizer, which is actually good if you have oily skin. Any clay mask kind of absorbs all the oils, so that will be great to try out. We also have the Neutrogena Useful Boost 100% Hydrogel Mask. Your skin is always changing depending on the weather, the time of year, what kind of products you're using. It's always going to be chopping and changing, so it's always good to adapt your skincare. So I have a Garnier Skin Active Hydro Balm Tissue Mask. We have a Skin Physics Hydration Maximizer. Face Gel Mask, Rejuvenating Power from Ancient Dragon's Blood. What the heck? I don't know, but I want some rejuvenating power from Ancient Dragon's Blood. I might even wear this when I watch Game of Thrones tonight. The Charcoal and Black Sugar Peel Off Deep Pore Detox Easy Peel Mask. I personally would not recommend masks like these or the ones that you see people ripping off their skin. I just feel like they're kind of ripping off all the little hairs that you have on your face and all the good nutrients. And we also have the Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula. We love coconut oil. The Base Collective Magnesium Bath Salt. This is a really good, decent, like full-size package as well. We've got some simple skincare wipes. I would only recommend using skincare wipes if you're having just a lazy day, you can't be bothered taking off your makeup. Teeny tiny, guys. This is like a little baby size of the Restorative Day Cream. So cute, little baby size. We've also got the Mugu Natural Full Cream Moisturizer for dry skin, natural edible oils. The Neutrogena Sheer Zinc Baby Dry Touch Sunscreen Lotion of SPF 50, zinc oxide, UVA and UVB broad spectrum, which is, you always want to make sure you're protecting your skin against UVA and UVB rays. It's really important. This is the Foaming Facial Cleanser, a combination of chamomile, aloe vera, green tea and witch hazel, purifying and cleanse the skin. This is the La Roche-Posay Mascara Volume Allergy Tested. Love that. But this is like a little sample, a really thin one, which is great for lengthening the lashes. So that is everything in the Goodie Skincare promotion from Priceline. I hope this is helpful. I will try and get this up before the promotion ends on May 9th. This is a self-love, health and happiness channel, so I just want to remind you guys that it is way more important to work on yourself in here. Skincare is a form of self-care, guys, so it's important to take care of yourselves. If you would like to check out more, I have just launched my new website, theselfloveresource.com, so be sure to check that out. I hope this has been helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you